So today I'm going to show you how to do two really cute hairstyles for school. Here's little Lily. This is style 1, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by just parting the hair into two. Make sure it's straight, not like my first effort. And then I'm going to take a brush and just really start to work that hair upwards, smooth it out, get that comb, make sure there's no bumps in the hair. And then once you're happy with it, you're going to take a hair tie and you're just going to tie that nice and tight to the head. Then you're going to come to the other side. Again, I always start with a brush first and then move on to a comb so I don't hurt. And then I'm going to just tie that into another bobble or hair tie. Make sure it's nice and tight and neat. And there we go. That's that one done. So next you're going to come to one of the ponytails and you're going to break off a small section of hair. With the rest of the hair, you're going to do a normal 3-strand braid. So you're just going to do it nice and tight, nice and neat. Use any spray if you need to, if there's any flyaways. So you're just going to do a 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom of the hair. And then once you've done that, you're going to go to the little strand. I just sprayed a little bit of hair wax there. And again, I'm just going to do an ordinary 3-strand braid. Fairly long. It needs to reach the other ponytail with a little bit of extra room. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. So one big plait and then one smaller plait. But on the right hand side, I did make this braid a little bit bigger than the other side. Then I'm going to wrap the big braid around the ponytail. Make sure it's the right shape, how I like it. And then you'll just take a hairpin or hair grip and just secure that into place. Do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm just twisting it around and then tucking the tail in so you can't see it. And using some small hair grips just to pin that into place. Then I'm going to take the smaller of the two braids left and I'm just going to kind of drape it over the back of the head and then pin that into place. And then I'm going to take the slightly larger braid and make that go a little bit lower. So that's again just draped across the back of the head and then wrapped around the bun. And I'm just going to use a small hairpin and just make sure that's nice and secure and it's not going to go anywhere. And then Lily is going to give us a lovely 360. So here she is from the front, nice and cute, smiling at the camera as always. And then we've got those two little drape braids at the back. I love this style. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So now we are moving on to style 2. So this is style 2, as you can see, another really smart school style. So again, we're just going to separate Lily's hair into two. And then I'm just sectioning off this top section here to the ear, smoothing out the bottom section with my comb and tying that into a hair tie, or I think I used an elastic here. And then we'll do exactly the same on the other side. Coming to the top, you're just going to combine all that hair at the top. And again, I'm using my comb, a little bit of wax spray for the flyaways or static, making sure there's no lumps or bumps in that hair, tying that into an elastic. And then I kind of went for a brightly coloured hair tie for this style because it kind of matched Lily's top, which I thought looked really cute. So I'm sort of alternating. So I'm doing an elastic first and then I'm pinching the hair and pulling it up to create like a little bubble. And you can go as big or small as you want to with that bubble. And then I'm going to put in the little coloured hair ties over the top first because I feel like the bubble is easier to pull when it's with a little elastic. It kind of stays in better. And then I'm putting the little coloured bubbles alternating all the way down. And then I'm going to break that ponytail into two, section it off and then tie one to the left pony and then one to the right, just securing that into place. And then I'm going to continue that technique down. So you could stop there and just have two normal pigtails. But I kind of wanted to carry this down. So again, I'm just using an elastic, creating that bubble effect by teasing the hair out. And then I'm alternating the colours all the way down. You could choose different colours if they've got a school uniform or they've got a dress on that you want to match it with. All the way down like that until you're happy with how it looks. And there is our 360. Super cute. Last all day hairstyles. And I'll see you again very, very soon.